All right, for today's assignment, we're going to be taking what's called the paired text quiz. This is a short quiz that you will take after you've read the selection called The Great Stink and Toilets of the Future. Again, make sure you've read both of these before you take this quiz, or you probably will not do really well. Let's look at question number 1. In the 1800s, dealing with human waste became a much bigger problem for London. One reason is that A. Factories were filling the air with soot. B. London's population more than doubled. C. Many people had died in cholera outbreaks. D. Heavier storms overloaded pipes. Number 2. The way people disposed of human waste in 19th century London was dangerous because A. It filled the air with germs. B. It polluted drinking water with deadly bacteria. C. It put night soulmen out of business. D. The strong odor made people nauseous. And this one right here, when you pick your answer for number 2, one of these here, then you're going to have to decide on number 3, which line from The Great Stink supports your answer to question 2. So whatever you picked here, you're going to have to pick a detail to support your answer. A. Londoners weren't just disgusted by the stink, they were terrified. B. The cesspools were usually 6 feet deep and 4 feet wide. C. Climate change is triggering heavier storms that overloaded pipes with rainwater. Or D. Poop is crawling with germs that can cause dozens of diseases, including cholera. Remember, answer number 2, and then support it with a detail below in question number 3. Okay, let's go on to question number 4. On page 19, author Alison Friedman writes that London leaders passed a law mandating the construction of a new sewer system. Based on context clues, what does the word mandate mean? So before you pull out a dictionary, if you have one, go back to page 19. Reread that section again and try to decide or try to figure out from clues that they give you on page 19 what the word mandate means. What does mandate mean? Does it mean A, to officially require something? B, to give consideration to? C, to prevent someone from doing something? Or D, to put forward a plan or intention? Remember, use the context clues first to try to figure out this word. Number 5, what is the main purpose of toilets of the future is to do what? So again, main purpose would be like the main idea. What is the main purpose of toilets of the future? This is our story called Toilets of the Future. What is its main purpose? A, to teach readers about tiger worms. B, warn readers about polluted water. C, spotlight possible solutions to today's sanitation challenges. Or D, to discuss the benefits of composting. So what would be the main purpose? Let me erase this as I'm reading. And then let's look at question number 6. The 3 toilets presented in Toilets of the Future all do what? So here, what you would do is you would have to figure out 2 answers here. The 3 toilets that they talked about in Toilets of the Future all do what? Or they all use heat to destroy bacteria, convert human waste into a resource, transform solid waste into plant fertilizer, or D, require neither water nor sewers. And you're going to choose 2. This one down here, just put an X over it. You do not have to do that. Okay, remember, read the selections, both of them, before you take this quiz.